Animals and their environments. What do animals need? Animals need air, water, food, and shelter to survive. Where does an animal live? An animal lives in a habitat. A habitat is an environment that includes all living and non-living things. These environments meet the animal's specific needs. They provide air, water, food, and shelter for the animals. Different types of animals live in the same environment because they can all adapt to the same surroundings. There are different types of habitats: grasslands, rainforest, deserts, Arctic tundra, forest, oceans, and mountains. A grassland is an open area covered with grass. Few trees grow here, but a variety of animals can live here. A rainforest is an environment where it rains almost every day, making the ground and surrounding plants and trees very wet. Many rainforests stay hot all year long. The trees that grow in this habitat are very tall. Unlike a rainforest, a desert is a dry environment that gets very little rain. There are only a few types of plant and animals that can live in the desert because of the dry weather. Contrary to a desert, a tundra is a cold, snowy environment that is often covered completely in ice. The plants that can survive in the cold grow very close together and are not tall. The animals that live here have thick fur that keeps them warm. A forest is a wooded environment that is home to a variety of plants and animals. This habitat is home to trees, plants, streams, various animals, and a variety of non-living things as well. When you look out at the ocean, you are looking at a large body of salt water. There are 4 oceans in the world: the Atlantic, Pacific, Indian, and Arctic. Many of the plants and animals that live in the ocean live in the top layer. The mountains are an environment that is elevated or raised. Mountains are home to a variety of plants and animals that are able to adapt to the changing temperatures. Sometimes mountains reach above the clouds. How do animals adjust to a changing environment? They adjust through a process called adaptation. Adaptation is when plants and animals develop characteristics that help them to survive in the environment in which they live. Camouflage is when animals are able to blend into their surroundings. This adaptation keeps them safe and helps them hide from other animals when they are hunting food. During migration, animals may move from one environment to another in order to survive. Some animals have body coverings, such as fur for warmth, hard shells for protection, or quills for protection. If you're a bear, you may hibernate in the winter. Hibernation is when an animal may sleep for an extended period of time during the winter to avoid the cold weather. Lastly, when an animal estivates, it may sleep for an extended period of time during the summer to avoid the hot weather.